In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect Google Sheets to N8N. It's a very simple process, takes a couple minutes, and there's not really much setup for it, so let's get right into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is open up our N8N workflow. You can make a new one, existing one, whatever you like. And we're going to go ahead and right click and we're going to add a node. So we're going to type in Google Sheet, and they have an integration here, which is very easy. Now on here you can pick any of the ones here when you're setting it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the update row in sheet 1. From here what we can do is we have to go to credentials to connect with, and we're going to go down and create new credential. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go over to the console, the Google Cloud Console. To do that, go to console.cloud.google.com. And once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type in Google Sheets API. Make sure you're signed on the same account, so the same Google account that you want to connect to Google Sheets. And simply go ahead and turn on the API. And that should go ahead and activate it and should be ready to get going. Now, you might also have to go ahead and create yourself an API key, which is very simple to do. Just click on Manage, click Create API Key, and it will give you a prompt to fill in some details. As simple as that. What we can do now is go back over to the N8N workflow. And we're going to make the settings as follows. We're going to have OAuth2 is the connection type, authorization code is the grant type. We can leave this clear. Authentication is going to be header, and then we're just going to click on the sign in with Google button. When you click on this button, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. It's going to ask you to accept these terms. Just go ahead and click continue, and it should connect up to your account. And boom, as simple as that, account is now connected, and we can go ahead and access our Google Sheets inside of N8N. Now, if you're having some issues with this and it's not connecting, you might need to change some settings inside of the Google Cloud Console, and let me show you them now. So inside of here, if you have created your OAuth2 client IDs, you can just click on them. If not, go ahead and click on Create Credentials, click on OAuth Client ID. For the application type, you can go down and put Web Application. You can give it any kind of name you want. And what you might need to do is change the authorized redirect URLs. And to do this, we're going to go ahead and add this here. And inside here, we're going to type in n8n.cloud. We also need to add this actually at the front, https://n8n.cloud, and we can go ahead and create that. Now that should go ahead and authorize the connection as long as you're using the cloud version, you're not using a self-hosted version. So you can go ahead and create that, and that should now go ahead and work. And now just to check that it's working, go into the node that you've just created, and you can just click on the document or the sheet type here, click on the choose section, and it should show all of your Google Sheets. If it shows that, then you've connected that properly, it's all working, and you're good to go. But it's really simple as that, so go ahead and connect it up. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Down below, we have a school community where we teach you how to build AI agents, how to optimize workflows, and basically how to use AI in your day-to-day to improve your business. So go ahead down below, join that, super valuable. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.